This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Vide. Beautiful two-story condo in the charming and desirable Riverwalk community. This quiet, well-maintained condo features an open floor plan with 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a breakfast area, large living room with vaulted ceilings providing tons of natural light, wood-burning fireplace, never used, and more. Upstairs you will find a loft area and the primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. New thermostat and transformer for HVAC recently installed and fresh paint throughout. Condo fee covers ground maintenance, trash, pool, water and sewer. Seller requires rent back till end of May. For more information, review the details below.